And good morning, everyone. 8:25 is the time on July 14th. It is Wednesday. We are tracking severe weather for today. This is something that we knew was going to happen. We've been talking about this for a little while, and we're going to give it about a minute or so, and we're going to get things started. Want to make sure we have the audience all changed up. Anyone that's on here, they'd be willing to share this on their page. Get started in about 2-3 minutes. We're going to be talking about a likely severe thunderstorm watch that'll be posted from the National Weather Service. We'll also be talking about a second round of severe weather that'll be heading our way. Heading our way as in Iowa, Minnesota, and Wisconsin. Most spots look to be under the gun for today, and we'll talk about an update as well of who has the best chance to see some of this stuff. Also, kind of that second round, what that is looking like. So we'll get started in just a moment. Do want to include some of these spots. Let's see here. Folks that are on, please share this on your page. We'll get started in just a moment. Please share this on your page. We'll get started. Oh, I'm trying to share this. Why isn't this letting me share? There we go. That's what I'm looking for. All right, folks. We'll go back to where I need to be. About 29 people on, folks, again. We'll get started in just a second. So got about 37 people on. Good morning. It is July 14th, just after 8:30, it looks like, on what is likely going to be a severe weather day for us. Folks that are on, thank you for being on. 41 people on. Please let me know where you're watching from. Share this on your page. We're going to stay on for about 10-15 minutes and kind of give a quick update of what's going to happen for today. So bottom line, expect 2 rounds of showers and thunderstorms. I started out here first with the mesoscale discussion coming in from the National Weather Service and Storm Prediction Center. They're putting a 60% chance of a severe thunderstorm or a severe thunderstorm watch, which will likely be placed in this area, which includes central Iowa, northern Iowa, southern Minnesota, and western and central parts of Wisconsin. Main threat looks to be widespread showers and thunderstorms, which could include damaging winds, large hail, all that fun stuff that we kind of knew that was going to happen for today. Let me show you what the Storm Prediction Center has put out already for the regional outlook. And not much has changed there. Slight southerly shift, but still includes places like Cedar Rapids, Waterloo, Fort Dodge, Clear Lake, Mason City, Decorah, Albert Lee, Rochester, Madison, Milwaukee, what have you. So what does that mean for us? 2 rounds of showers and thunderstorms. First round will be pushing in this morning. We'll put radar on. And here comes the round of showers and thunderstorms. I know earlier I think we had a couple of severe thunderstorm warnings out there. It looks like there still is some warnings out there. Believe it's for Winnebago. Yes, Kossuth and Winnebago counties. So there are some warnings as these are pushing through Bancroft, Buffalo Center. I want to make this bigger. There we go. So you can probably see now Garner, Britt, Hampton, Clear Lake. You look west and you're likely going to see a shelf cloud. Same with Ventura, Fertile, Forest City. You're under the gun. Lake Mills soon, Joyce, and then eventually this line is going to be running into, and there's some curvature here, which is likely indicative of some straight line, downline wind gusts that could probably be around 58, 60 miles an hour. So Albert Lee, make sure, and Keister, make sure you guys are inside. Blue Earth, same thing. Wells. Looks like the worst part of the storm is back here from pretty much Garner to Fairmont. This is where things are beginning to bow out a bit. Again, folks that are on, appreciate you guys being on. Let's share this on our page to make sure that everyone is kind of getting an update here. Let's fast forward this and show you what's going to happen. It's like this tries to push in and then just kind of turns into stratus. But then we see at the end of this, you start to see another line developing, folks. And that's what we're going to be watching for, is that second round of showers and thunderstorms that'll likely erupt. Some of those turning pretty nasty. Here's the now image again, if you're just joining us. East of Ames, which will go through Marshalltown. This stuff is not severe here. But as you get to about Hampton, and especially, in my opinion, from Garner to Fairmont, this is where it's starting to bow out. Always a good indicator for us as meteorologists that, you know what, there's a good chance that there could be some straight line winds. No warnings right now. I do want to show you no watches rather. There are warnings right now. I want to show you that. There's the severe thunderstorm warning right now. Here's the latest on that. At 8:28, 5 minutes ago, severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 9:15 a.m. for Faribault and southeastern Martin counties. Wind gusts and penny-sized hail, the main threats. At 8:22, severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect for Kossuth and northwestern Winnebago counties. Elmore and Fairmont are the areas that are under the gun. The storm is moving pretty quickly to the northeast at 40 miles an hour. Main gusts continue to be, main threats continue to be wind gusts at about 60 miles an hour. You can see the locations that'll be impacted, if not already impacted, by the storms. All right, let's look at the latest weather information. This has changed from last night. This is something I reiterated to everyone that we needed to see how this all worked out with round number one. Okay, so let's take you step by step. So interesting, you can really see the mesolow developing back here. You can see the circulation back here. And then that first round moves through. Lots of rain, lots of storms. Okay. Still could see a few severe thunderstorms this morning, especially with some of those stronger wind gusts. But what we're going to really monitor closely is the destabilization that happens once round number one moves out. And the quicker that moves out, the faster we can see stabilization being eliminated. And the faster that we can really rev up and activate those storms once again. And that's kind of what's going on there. 4 or 5 o'clock-ish, you get some thunderstorms developing around the Charles City area, Hampton area, Decorah Cresco area, and maybe as far northwest as Buffalo Center and Lake Mills. You can see a little line there around 35 and 90. Look at the nasty storms still trying to barrel through parts of southern and eastern Wisconsin. And then another bow looks like it's going to try to reorganize. And then it turns into another MCS. And then we're pretty much done, folks. We're pretty much done with that. Questions, comments, concerns. Big thing that I want to make sure everyone understands is today is a day that we need to make sure you're on weather alert. You understand that thunderstorms can turn pretty nasty pretty quickly. This is a thunderstorm outlook, 70% chance that you will see thunderstorms today. I mean, let's be honest, that probably should be 90%. But a real good chance. Go back. I just want to keep this one up. So level 3, it has not been upgraded yet to a level 4. Will it be upgraded? I don't think so. You know, there were some talk that it might go up to a moderate. For now, we don't think so. Just because of the delay a bit with the rain and thunderstorms this morning. If it does, my guess would be it's going to be back more into parts of Iowa where you're going to have the best shearing environment, best instability, highest dew points. Those parameters are going to be important for something like today. Rainfall is also a big deal. We'll go back actually into the computer model. We'll look at the HER again. It's the one that I've been really all over. So this kind of shows you how much rain could be had. Again, there's going to be some thunderstorms that produce between 3 and 6 inches of rain when all said and done. There's going to be some spots that are going to be like, hey, we need to wring more out. Chris, you told me we were going to get rain. We didn't get much. Yeah, I mean, I would be surprised if, I think everyone will at least probably see at least a half an inch to an inch of rain if you're in southeastern Minnesota, northeastern Iowa, and from I-29 or Highway 29 south in Wisconsin. There's going to be a lot of rain, a lot of moisture in the atmosphere to be wrung out. All right, folks, that's enough for me for now. I just want to do a quick update. I'll do another one. I'm going to get a haircut at 10 o'clock. I got to get myself together a little bit. Do another one, and then I'm going to start to figure out, I think by, let's assume we're going to do a 12 o'clock hit. Yeah, 12 o'clock hit we'll do. Come back here at about noon, and we'll have another update of where I'm going to be chasing, what the storms are looking like for the afternoon and evening. Take care. God bless.